Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Buildium for beginners. So first, if you logged in or signed up, you'll be directed here on their dashboard. On their dashboard, you will see outstanding balances of rentals, your tasks, renter's insurance, overdue tasks, expiring leases, expiring renter insurance, rental listings, rental application, recent activity, and bank feed. On the rentals, you will see properties. Here you can add your property by clicking this one. Next one is the rent roll. Here you can add lease. You can input here your rent roll. And you also have liability management. Next one is the tenants. You can add your tenants here, their details, unit number, phone number, and email. Next is the rental owners. You can see here your rental owners. You can add many rental owners that you have. You can have the agreements ends on, their address, phone number, and email. Next is the outstanding balances. Here you can see the outstanding lease balances of your tenants or your rental owners. Next is the leasing. Here you can see listings. You can see here your listed units and unlisted units. You can unlist your unit if it's not available. Next is the applicants. Here you can see your applicants here and they are organized. You can create an applicant if you want. Next is the draft leases. Here you can see your drafted leases. Next is lease renewals. As this name suggested, you have here your lease renewals, e-signature settings. You can add here then their e-signature. You can create a template. Next is the accounting. You have here financials, general ledger, banking, bills, recurring transactions, EFT approvals, budgets, chart of accounts, company financials, and 1099 tax filings. Next is the maintenance. You have here vendors, work orders, and property inspections. Next, you can add your tasks here, incoming requests, my tasks, and all tasks, recurring tasks. Next one is the communication. Here you have public site, resident center settings, announcements, text messages, mailings, emails, automated emails. So basically, you have here your communication. Next is the files. You will see here all of the files that you've uploaded. On reports, you can see all of your reports. Analytics hub. You have here analytics, but you have to upgrade it to unlock data and insights. You can have an add-on services like ePay, maintenance, contact center, retail, cash payment with Pay Near Me, and many more. On shortcuts, you have your shortcuts here. And that's basically it.